Hi folks, my name is Dave Johnson from bloggingbizonline.com. If you haven't done already, please subscribe to my channel, ring that notification bell, give me a like, thumbs up, drop a comment in that box once you've watched the video. Okay, so I hope you're ready for this, because this is about as close as you're going to get to that magic shiny button you've been looking for, or we've all been looking for. So this is the closest thing I've found. It's up to you. It's free to go and have a look at, and also it's I'll throw in one of my bonuses if you want to just sign up and have a look. Okay, we'll get onto the bonus later on in the video. But nothing will cost you a penny, and then if you decide you want to buy the affiliate link blaster, then that's totally up to you. Okay, I use it every day, and I'll show you that as well. So at the end of the video, I will show you how to gain access to this affiliate link blaster, so you can go and have a look around free of charge. You won't need your credit card or your debit card. And I'll show you where I'll give you my fast track bonus. Okay, so here it is, and all you'll have to do once you've registered to the platform where the affiliate link blaster is, just send me an email to johnocard68@gmail.com. I'll leave that below the video in the description. Okay, so once you've registered for the affiliate link blaster, you'll be took to a platform that looks similar to this. Mine's an upgraded version because I do promote World Profit and I use their platform on a regular basis. So basically this is 100% autopilot. Okay, there's 3-4 clicks of a button and you're up and running. So this is the affiliate link blaster page, and as you can see, they've got a URL ad manager, a ad tracker, and the run stats, so you can track everything. Okay, and you've got live stats here, and if you get stuck, there is a help video just here, and also support if you need any questions answering. So just on this, you can change your URL at any time. This promotion will run for a whole year. Okay, but you can change it at any time, and I'll show you how you do that in a moment. So you will get real traffic and real people clicking on your links, so you can use this to build your affiliate program or your leads to your business. Okay, so absolutely fabulous. So what happens is this platform owns 18 high traffic sites, and they blast the emails out to over 180,000 members every single day. Okay, and they put your link inside these emails. Okay, so once you've ordered your package, you'll be able to just come in here. Look, and I've got 2 ads running at the moment, as you can see, and this one started on the 15th of March 21, and the date of this video is the 18th of April, so just over a month. I've already had 149 quality clicks. I've still got 11 months left of my campaign to run, so we're talking thousands of dollars of clicks just for the one-off price. Okay, so as I said, you can alter your affiliate link or your whatever you're promoting in this box here. This is where you put your link, so you can just change that at any time you wish and press update. And all we ask is that you have 2 short titles and keep them small. Yeah, keep them short, and you'll get better results. And you can get an email when your ad is being run through all these 18 traffic sites, and you can tick that or you can untick it, whichever you. I like to have both running, and you get a report at the end. You can also reset your views and clicks, so these figures here will go down to 0. Okay, so that's inside. That's all basically set and forget. So unless you want to change your URL, there's no need to come on here. You just look at your stats if you want to, and look at your trackers up here. Okay, folks, so like I said at the start of this video, I'm going to give you a fast track cash bonus, and also you will qualify for a free traffic offer inside the platform once you sign up. Okay, and this is all you have to do is watch a short video presentation. Watch it from start to finish, and that will unlock you 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to a website of your choice or any affiliate link. Okay, so that's guaranteed 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to a site of your choice. You'll get a free look at the affiliate link blaster and decide whether that's for you or not. As you can see, I use it on a regular basis, so it's not something that I'm promoting, it's not something that I'm not using. Okay, so also you will get the fast track cash. So how do I get this, you may be asking? Okay, so the link below this video will get you to this page here. If you click on the link below this video, this page will appear, and it's the affiliate link blaster. You'll get 100% real promotion on autopilot, and like I said to you before, it's blasted out by email for a full year to 18 traffic sites. I've just been through the process with you, so you know how to enter the title and the URL, and you know it runs for 1 year, and you know you can change your affiliate link at any time. So all you have to do, guys, is click on get started here, register your name and email, look out in your inbox for any activation links to get the best out of the platform, and yeah, enjoy your free 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to a website of your choice, and enjoy my bonus fast track cash. And hopefully, if you decide to purchase the affiliate link blaster, you will then decide to upgrade to the silver or platinum membership inside of World Profit. But you don't have to do the affiliate link blaster. You can just sign up and decide to leave the affiliate link blaster alone for a while and try out all the other softwares and tools we have inside the silver membership. So folks, the decision's yours. I've given you the tools. That is the closest thing I can come to a shiny button. So all you need to do is click that link below this video, claim my bonuses and that 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to a website of your choice, and I'll see you in the next video. So from Dave Johnson and bloggingbizonline.com, stay safe, and I'll see you all soon.